I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb on your Dodge Challenger. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. You will need a new H13 size bulb and possibly a small screwdriver. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can significantly shorten its lifespan. Now let's get to accessing the bulb. Pop open your hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. For the passenger side, you'll find a plastic cover that simply pulls off. On the driver's side, it's a bit different. You'll need to remove the airbox. This usually involves loosening 3 screws and 1 clamp. Don't worry, it's not too difficult, and it provides ample space to work. With access gained, it's time to swap the bulb. First, locate the round weather cap on the back of the headlight assembly. Give it a quarter turn counterclockwise and remove it. Next, gently twist the old bulb counterclockwise and pull it straight out. You'll then need to disconnect the electrical connector, often by pressing a small tab or pulling a red pin. Now, connect your new bulb to the electrical connector, being careful not to touch the glass. You're almost done. Carefully insert the new bulb into the headlight housing, aligning its tabs with the slots. Twist the bulb clockwise until it locks firmly into place. Then, reinstall the weather cap, turning it clockwise until it's secure. Finally, reattach the airbox and any plastic covers you removed, making sure all connections are tight. Turn on your headlights to confirm your new bulb is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.